SLT Lighting Technology, Dongguan Company Limited, established in 2010, is a professional lighting manufacturer engaged in the innovation, sales, and service of LED grow lights, ranging from 100 watt to 1,600 watt, including folding LED grow lights, spider LED grow light, top lighting grow light, and hot under canopy grow lights. Our products have earned wide praise both domestically and internationally for their outstanding quality and performance, with primary markets in the United States, Canada, Thailand, and Europe. As an ISO 9001 certified high-tech enterprise, our commitment to excellence is demonstrated through robust certifications including ETL, DLC, CE, RoHS, FCC, UKCA and more. Boasting over 80 certifications and 16 invention patents, our products showcase our cutting-edge approach, our pioneering spirit to lighting technology. We cater to OEM, ODM, and OBM partnerships. Whether you're selecting a product from our extensive catalog or seeking engineering support for a custom project, please feel free to contact us. We're always here. Our dedicated team is committed to providing professional service, high-quality products, and competitive pricing. We believe that your success is our success. We also support efficient drop shipping, with operational warehouses in the USA and Germany, and ready-to-ship standard models from our factory in China, plus promising dispatch within 48 hours and local pickup options. Furthermore, our commitment to customer satisfaction extends beyond sales. We offer localized after-sales support, on-site technical assistance. Our experienced engineers are available to fly overseas to resolve any technical issues promptly, guarantee uninterrupted performance and customer satisfaction. Purchase with confidence. We warmly welcome your cooperation for mutual success. Contact us today.